tight, color all the pages bright. Let your dreams escape the lines in this world where art defines.
Draw the world in every hue, yellow, pink, and ocean blue, painting skies and dreams anew. Let your colors shine on through.
Thrive from the sea to mountain high. Let imagination fly.
Draw the world in every hue, yellow, pink, and ocean blue, painting skies and dreams anew. Let your colors shine on through.
Fill each scene with boundless grace. In this world we make our space. Art's the magic we embrace.
Draw the world in every hue, yellow, pink, and ocean blue, painting skies and dreams anew. Let your colors shine on through.
Fill each scene with boundless grace. In this world we make our space. Art's the magic we embrace.
Draw the world in every hue, yellow, pink, and ocean blue, painting skies and dreams anew. Let your colors shine on through. Let your colors shine on through.
Pick up that crayon, hold it tight. Color all the pages bright. Let your dreams escape the lines in this world where art defines. Draw the world in every hue, yellow, pink, and ocean blue, painting skies and dreams anew. Let your colors shine on through. Shapes and shades, they come alive in a book where wonders thrive. From the sea to mountain high, let imagination fly. Draw the world in every hue, yellow, pink, and ocean blue, painting skies and dreams anew. Let your colors shine on through. Sketch a smile on every face. Fill each scene with boundless grace. In this world we make our space. Art's the magic we embrace. Draw the